Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add bank to Cash App. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to add a bank account on your Cash App, tap open your Cash App application from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, tap on the human icon located at the top right hand corner. Now, scroll down and tap on Linked Banks. Tap on the Link Bank option from the display and enter your bank short code number. Once you type in your code, tap the Next button beneath. Now enter your bank account number on the next field. Your bank account number is usually between 8 to 12 digits. And finally tap on the Next button beneath. Confirm your account number by typing it again on the next page and tap Next again. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add bank account on your Cash App. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.